Today's video is going to be the Coleman CT200U review and ride. Wait. Before you do anything, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. I really appreciate it. What's up, everyone? Good morning and welcome to the channel. It's a beautiful sunny day out in Florida. A little warm too. A little warm. Here is the Coleman CT200U my son got last Christmas. It is a one-cylinder engine, or has a one-cylinder engine, 196cc, chain driven. It's not a bad little mini bike. It's got fold-up foot pegs. I really like it because it has a mounting bracket on the front and the back. Has a pretty big seat. Gas tank's easy to get to. These are pretty meaty tires. Pretty knobby. I think they're 19 by 7/8. I really like this bike. My son's 8, and it's just a hair too big for him. I'm sure if he grew a set of them, he could probably ride it. But with these big knobby tires on the front, it's not the easiest thing to turn. The bike weighs supposedly 112 pounds. I think it's a little underrated. Feels heavier than that, that's for sure. What else? I'm gonna get out the tape measure, take some measurements of everything to give you an idea of how big or small everything is. Okay, the bike is roughly 5 feet long. The seat sits about 28 inches high. The handlebars at about 3 feet. The seat is just under 19 inches long. It's pretty long. And about 7 inches wide. Me and my son right now, since it's a little big for him, we both ride on this pretty easy, and it moves us. The back rack is just under 16 by about a foot. The front rack is about a foot by about 6.5 inches, and this is my GoPro mount. That don't come with the bike. Other little things about the bike, it's overhead valve, obviously. Does about 20 to 25 miles an hour. Usually the lighter you are, the faster you go. Well, with me and my son on here, we go faster than just me on there by myself. I'm gonna go out now, take it for a little ride. Hope you guys enjoy. The bike hasn't ran in probably at least a month, maybe 2 months. Started right up, I think, on the 3rd pull. Well, that was fun. Got the bike a little muddy, a little dirty. Got a little bit on the back of my pant leg. Not bad. A couple of things I want to remind you about before I sign off here. Here's a on-off kill switch. It has the choke on and off and the gas. That would be off. That would be on. Here's the pull. It's really not that hard to pull. My only complaints with the bike is it is a little hard to turn with the big tires on it, and the throttle is a little touchy, but nothing out of the ordinary. If you haven't checked out my other videos, check them out. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, comment down below and I'll see what I can do. I like going out riding it, it's fun. I enjoy it. That's your Coleman CT 200U review and ride. Till next time. Peace.